Woodworking is a practice in patience as much as it is anything else. The way the wood slowly begins to take shape under the very palm of your hand is practically an art form. Some would even argue that it is an art form, and you can even find plenty of examples of people using everything from basic hand tools to chisel out their sculpture bit by slow bit, all the way up to chainsaw-wielding badasses that make Leatherface's favorite killing device look like one of Bob Ross's paintbrushes. One of the most important steps in the woodworking process is planing, or paring down the thickness of the piece you're working on by removing larger strips of wood. This is a different process to sanding, which is still a process of removing excess material, but in much smaller quantities than with planing. It can be a tedious task, especially on larger or more intricate pieces of work, but thanks to our friends over at Milwaukee and this handy planer here, powered by their incredible M12 battery platform, the process of planing has been made more expedient and efficient, getting you through your day that much quicker. Milwaukee's planer has the power to plane and scribe in both hard and soft woods, and with its new compact design, it's the perfect size to fit in the toolbox of any carpenter, remodeler, general contractor, or woodworking enthusiast. The M12 battery platform, combined with the brushless motor, provide the power for the two blades spinning at up to 14,500 RPMs to remove up to 5/6 of an inch of material every pass, allowing you to thin out the piece exactly as you need it in a fraction of the time it would normally take with a hand planer. 21 different depth settings ranging from 0 to that 5/64 give you the ultimate precision on the job site, allowing you to remove precisely the amount of material that you need, and the 2-inch wide shoe is perfect for plenty of common applications like doors, cabinetry, and windows. It also comes with this neat little kickstand to store the tool upright when you're not using it, and it can be stored away within the tool so that it doesn't interfere with the cuts that you're making, as well as a shavings collection bag and a universal hose adapter to make cleanup even easier at the end of the day. You can grab your Milwaukee M12 planer from Ohio Power Tool at the link in the description below. Thanks for sticking around, and we'll see you guys next time.
If you have any other questions, leave us a comment, or give us a call, or send us an email, or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work.
Put it up on 190. Okay.